Hello guys! In today's video, I'll explain what Rask AI is and show you how to start using it. Rask AI is a smart writing assistant powered by artificial intelligence. It helps users create different types of content, summarize information, and improve overall productivity. To get started, visit the official website and create an account. Some tools may be available for free, while advanced features might require a paid plan. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to choose the type of task you want to complete. Next, enter clear instructions describing what you need. This could include the topic, the tone of voice, the target audience, or any specific details you want the content to include. The more precise your prompt, the better the results will be. After entering your request, click the Generate button and let the system create your content. Within seconds, Rask AI will produce a draft based on your input. Make sure to review the output carefully, check for accuracy, clarity, and consistency, and adjust anything that needs improvement. Even though the tool is powerful, adding your personal touch always makes the final result stronger. That's a quick overview of what Rask AI does and how to use it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.